Welcome to Delph Stack. In this video, we'll explore how to mock and raise exceptions in Python unit tests. Mocking is a powerful technique for testing your code, especially when dealing with external dependencies or error handling. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate developer, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to simulate exceptions in your tests using Python's unittest.mock module. Let's dive in. Mocking exceptions is essential for testing how your code handles errors. In this video, we'll cover two main approaches: using unittest.mock to raise exceptions directly and using patch to mock objects and simulate exceptions. Let's break down each method with practical examples. First, we have a simple function in calculator.py that divides two numbers. If the denominator is 0, it raises a value error. This check ensures we don't attempt an illegal division by 0. Now let's explore different ways to test this function using mocks. The first way to mock a function is using unittest.mock. This allows us to replace divide with a mock during testing. Let's take a look at how this works. The @patch decorator replaces divide with a mock function that raises a value error. This allows us to test how our code handles division by 0 without actually running the divide function. Next, we have MagicMock, which is an enhanced version of mock. It provides more functionality and can mimic the behavior of any object dynamically. Here we create a MagicMock instance for divide and set side underscore effect to raise a value error. Then we use patch to temporarily replace divide with our mock, ensuring that it behaves exactly as we defined. Now let's talk about using the unittest.mock.patch decorator. It provides a convenient way to temporarily replace objects or functions during testing. The implementation here is almost identical to our first example. This approach is clean and concise. The decorator automatically applies the mock before the test runs and removes it afterward. And that's it. You now know how to mock and raise exceptions in Python unit tests. We covered using unittest.mock directly and leveraging patch for more complex scenarios. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python tutorials from Delph Stack. Thanks for watching and happy testing.